everyone, thanks for watching our video. First of all, I wish all infected people by coronavirus to recover soon and I wish all people be safe. Thanks for watching again and please like and subscribe our channel. In this video, I will talk about how to create a dynamic map chart by Excel. You can see that I create this map according to number of people infected by coronavirus worldwide and distribution by country. From here can I select total cases. You can see that map change dynamic and you can see the country with highest number of total cases will be in dark red, the United States, and country with lower number of cases will be in light yellow. Also I can select for total deaths. You will find that the map change dynamic. I can select total recovered people. Also I can select region. As example, I can select Africa only. The map will change dynamic and you see only countries for Africa, the North America, South America. Let's start and see how we can do this dynamic chart. Thanks for watching. Hello again. I copy this data in a new sheet. First, I will select our data range and insert table. Okay. Then I create a new sheet, rename to map. Okay. You can change background gray. In cell A1, I will insert data validation list. From data, I select data validation, then I will select list. Source will be data. No. From C to D. C, D, E. Okay. We found that total cases, total deaths, and total recover. We can change background for the cell. We can change it white and change color to white. Increase font. Okay. Cell G1. This cell will be equal to cell A1. So if I will change this value in this sheet will be changing also. I insert index match formula equal index and array will be from cell A2 to E170, comma row number will be match lookup cell A2, comma lookup array will be from cell A2 to A170, comma 0 match lookup. I will look for cell J1, can lookup array will be from cell A1 to cell E1, comma, 0, close, close, insert. So this cell value for total this. If I change to total cases, this value will be changed. Now I will look this our array F4, F4. Also I need to look this cell will be locked also. Okay. As you can see, if we change this value to total recovered example, this is value will be changed also. Okay, let's now insert our map chart. From insert, I will select map. Okay, map. Then I will select data and equals only one, and this one I will select cheat name. Then F3 and select value. Okay, edit. I select cheat name F3 and select country. Okay, okay. As you can see now, this is our chart. The country with highest value will be in dark blue and lower countries will be in light blue. We can change this color. We can select this chart, and from series color we can select, for example, blue, yellow. Then this will be red. Okay, you can see now. Also we can color, we can select three color. Okay, also we can add data label. Also in a map label we can select this Control X. We will cut this to another shade. Control V. From here we can change format, design. Okay, value number. Yeah, close now. You can see. If you change to total cases, you will find that map will be changed dynamic. If we select to total this only, will it change only for total this, total recovered. Add one slicer for region. You can go to data and insert slicer, and I need to slicer for region. Then I select OK. I can select designer. I select option, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Control X. And now Control V. Okay. If you select region for Africa, map will change dynamic. If it change to total recovered people, map will also be changed. North America. Thanks for watching our video.